This is my review of the GigaJaw Jawline gum. This is the spearmint flavor. You get 30 pieces in here. Suggested use is 1 per day. This is what 1 piece looks like right here. This is a very hard gum. I've been using a lot of different mastic gums and things like that, and this is probably the most the strongest tough gum that I've had. Very pleased with it. It's got a really nice flavor to it. What I like about it, it's got no sugar, no aspartame or anything like that. Packaging is really cool here. I've only been using this for about 4 or 5 days, and I'm just very happy with it. Like I said, been using different mastic gums for a while, and this one, it just, like when you first put this piece of gum in your mouth, you really have to like work at it to get it down to like the normal chewing part. It's very, very tough. So if you're looking for jawline gum, this is absolutely one you want to check out. The natural spearmint flavor is really great. And again, 30 pieces here, so you get 1 month's worth of gum. I'm going to keep using this, and it's a really great product.